welcome to the Knowledge Hub. In this video, we're going to learn how to dim chat wallpaper on WhatsApp. The trick is pretty easy. First, open WhatsApp account. Tap on the three dot button, go to settings, go to chats. If you want to dim chat wallpaper, first you need to select dark theme. Click dark, click OK. Now go to wallpaper, tap on change, click on solid colors, choose the color that you like. I go with this option, click on set wallpaper dimming. There is a button. If you can move it to the right or move it to the left. If you move it to the right, the screen will get darker. If you move it to the opposite direction, it will get lighter. That's it. That's how you can change chat wallpaper on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.